Machine number 1. Machine number 2.
Question? Sure. What influenced you to use that vending machine versus this one?
I don't know.
You just walked in and saw that?
I just walked in and picked that one, yeah.
Yeah, was there anything you particularly
I guess maybe because I could actually see the options I had.
I want it more when I can see it.
Okay.
As opposed to, you know, like guessing what it looks like.
I can see the product that I'm buying.
I like it because I know that they actually have Cokes in there.
Any reason for choosing that machine? The sushi? Does that one have water too? I don't know, I didn't look at it, but water was just visible to me right here.
I like when I see the bottle falling down. It's just more fun. Something.
Because it doesn't make my Coke fizzy.
No, it's clever. My grandchildren.
It's cool, but it's whatever. I mean, it's cool.
Can I get my chicken? Okay.
You can point at it?
Wait a minute. I've got to make sure I get the right one here.
Now, from working at Arbuckle, do you experience that more people have trouble with this one or that one, or?
Yeah, more people definitely have trouble with this one.
Huh.
Just caught my eye.
Okay. And
That's really it.
Why